To buy and sell assets in Exness, follow these steps. Log into your Exness trading platform. Open the Exness Trader app, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 and log in with your account credentials. Select a trading instrument. Choose the asset you want to trade. Use the quotes or market watch section to find available instruments. Analyze the market. Before placing an order, check the price charts, indicators, and tools provided to analyze trends and make an informed decision. Place a buy or sell order. To open a position, select the instrument, then choose buy or sell. Click on new order, set your volume, and optionally adjust stop loss and take profit levels to manage risk. Confirm the trade. Confirm the order to execute the trade. The position will appear in your open trades. Monitor and close the position. Watch your open trade as the price fluctuates. When you're ready to close, go to your trades, select the position, and click close to lock in any profits or minimize losses.